The justice sector will play a pivotal role in ensuring not only peace and justice, but prosperity for all of our people.
And the Ministry of Justice will be playing that pivotal role this year with the discharge of $10.24 billion. A judgment was made where a significant tranche of the capital budget will go towards the Justice Sector Reform Program. This $1.3 billion will be used to complete infrastructure work at the Supreme Court Public Building West. The project started in 2016 and should be completed in March 2020. This year's allocation will see the completion of the offices of the Director of Public Prosecution and the Court of Appeal.
I feel assured that these improved facilities will also contribute to a more timely dispensing of the decisions emanating from the court.
Another project receiving funding is the Justice Undertakings for Social Transformation, JUST. $33.9 million is set aside to conduct training for Ministry of Justice staff, create court performance indicators, and implement rules and procedures for parish and petty session courts, among other things. An additional $80 million is awarded to design solar units and buy audiovisual recording equipment for select courthouses. This is part of the Justice Security Accountability and Transparency Project, JSAT. $2.8 million is set aside for the Citizen Security and Justice Program. This will witness the provision of emergency assistance grants for 50 beneficiaries, along with counseling for children exposed to violence and trauma, and training of court officials, police officers, and justices of the peace.
It is our hope that these changes will deepen the confidence of Jamaicans in the justice system.
We want to be able to say that justice is easily accessible, and once it is accessed, that it can be delivered in a very short time, in a matter of weeks and months, rather than months and years.
This financial year, an oath was made to provide the ministry with $2 billion and the Justice Departments with $6.48 billion, all under the recurrent budget. That $2.06 billion will facilitate greater access to justice and include support for the Norman Lanley Law School and the publication of the updated pages of the revised laws of Jamaica.
Regardless of the type of facilities we have, and the number of courts that we have, and the number of judges that we have, everyone has a role to play in making us become efficient and to utilize the courtroom, judicial time as efficiently as possible.